the corporate bro code, the only code you'll ever need.
Hello, I'm Arvind Anand. I've been a developer in the US and a product manager in India. It's almost like moving from a self-driving Tesla to a car waving through the Silk Road traffic at 6 p.m. That transition showed me the source code of how the companies actually work. And trust me, it's different than you think. This channel is the internal wiki that you will actually read. We are covering the corporate myth busting. You will understand the real logic behind the scenes, the tech to product roadmap. For those in technical roles, I'll share the roadmap I used to transition into the product management and leadership. Global perspectives will explore the differences in the professional agility and logic between the US and India and what we can learn from both. Expert insights. I'll be joined by experienced professionals from diverse sectors to share real world success stories and their lessons. If you want the unfiltered logic to navigate through the corporate career with confidence, I'm your bro, and this is the Corporate Bro Code. And speaking of the bizarre logic, let's talk about the world's most expensive hype cycle, AI. Hi everyone. If you have been at work lately, you would have probably heard one word more than lunch or weekend or even chai, and that word is AI. Every boss, every LinkedIn post, and every news channel is saying, if you don't use AI right now, you're going to be left behind. But honestly, trying to add AI to a normal company right now is like trying to put a jet engine to an auto rickshaw. I mean, imagine this. The rickshaw is built to go at 20 kilometers per hour through busy streets. Suddenly, you just strap a jetpack to an auto rickshaw. It's exciting. It's moving fast. But the wheels are shaking, the driver is panicking, and everyone is just hoping the whole thing doesn't fall apart until the next turn. Today, we are going to talk about what's actually happening behind the scenes in tech and why we are all moving so fast. Let's talk about the product managers. Their job is to decide what features they can build next and what customer problems they can solve. Right now, they are under huge pressure to make everything AI powered. Think of it like cooking a big meal for your family. You have spent hours making a nice dal or a curry, but then a five-star hotel chef just walks in and says that forget the recipe, just add this magic salt called AI to everything. The problem is, if you just throw magic salt on everything without thinking, the food is not going to taste good, but it's just going to get confusing. I know a team that spent almost 3 months building an AI chatbot to be answering the customer questions. The result was the AI was very polite, but it was not able to track a package. It's almost like a waiter who is singing a nice poem, but he is not bringing you the water. You as a product manager needs to have at least a basic understanding of the AI landscape. Since every company now expects its PM to see opportunities for efficiencies, they want PMs to identify situations where automation can be implemented. The secret broker here is that you should be a PM who knows what to use when, rather than thinking about using AI everywhere. You can even start doing vibe coding, play with prompts, try to automate things that you would normally take long hours to do. Try to learn how LLM works and understand token systems. Lastly, stay relevant. So the lesson here is we need to solve real problems, not just sprinkle AI salt on everything because it's trendy. Now let's look at the engineers, the people who actually build the software. They are using AI to write code faster. It's like having a super fast GPS while driving. In places like Bengaluru, we know how helpful the GPS is. It finds the best shortcuts for you. It saves time, but we also know the GPS trap. See, I once followed a GPS. Well, it was so sure that it was showing me the best route, but it landed me into a narrow valley within walls. That's what developers are facing right now. The AI gives them code in seconds, which is great, but the code might have a hidden wall inside it, like a security bug or a logical error. So now, instead of building new things, our best engineers are spending long hours spending time if the AI is doing good and it's not driving the company into the lake. The developers are thinking too much about automating everything. Yeah. Their own creativity is not being used properly. This seriously affects their ability to analyze code. And if something breaks in the auto generated code, I think only God can help us if you stay reliant on these AI tools too much. This would also introduce a lot of tech debt over time. The secret bro code here is that you should verify every line of code, at least ask the tool to explain the code so that you understand the code before you push it to the repository. The question is, do we really trust AI? We want the speed, but we are not ready to let go of the steering wheel yet. So how do we handle this? We use the strategy I call the brilliant intern. Imagine we hire an intern who is a genius. They can read 1,000 books in a minute and write an essay in 3 seconds. That's AI. But they're also 21 years old and less experienced. You wouldn't give them the keys to your company vault on the first day, right? You would check their work. You would give them small tasks first. That's how the best teams are adapting AI. They aren't letting the AI take control and run the show. They are using it to do the boring work like writing emails or summarizing notes so humans can focus on hard decisions. A lot of startups fail, mainly because they don't solve real problems, but they think they have built something really cool with AI and assume that it's going to solve someone's problem. But in reality, it's not. Just a glorified chatbot in most cases. Here's the bro code for the week. Don't believe the hype. AI is a tool, not a miracle. It's a hammer, not the carpenter. Verify everything. If an AI tells you something, double check, triple check it. Don't drive it into the lake just because it says so. The magic salt rule: if your boss asks you to AIify a spreadsheet for no reason, just remember, adding a rocket booster to a broken chair is just going to give you a faster way to fall down fast. Just don't add the buzzwords. The intern principle: treat AI like the genius in the room. They know everything, but they have not seen a customer. For the love of your career, don't let them hold the steering wheel. Stay human. The most valuable person in the office isn't the one who uses the AI the most. It's the one who knows when the AI is wrong. I'm your bro, and this is the code. Look, in general, it's good to remember this. An AI app might sound too good. What it really is a machine, and behind that machine is a corporation trying to extract money or a monthly fee from you. Hit subscribe and comment AI to receive your free copy of Beginners and Experts Guide to ChatGPT. Take a deep breath and remember, you are still smarter than the machine. I'm your bro, and this is the Corporate Bro Code. See you until the next one.
We're getting it done. We're here for the whole ride, not just for the run. This is the corporate bro.